Hey YouTube adventurers! Today we're broadcasting from our garage again, and we will again try to make it more comfortable to work in. Last time we made some new lights, so now we can see better what we are doing here. So recently we buy some new shelves, a vacuum cleaner to clean things up here from spiders and spider webs, because there is plenty of this stuff here, and also a primer and paint to make the walls more pretty. We also have some holes here, so we need to We finished fixing holes in this wall, but we have to wait until it will be dry. So we moved to this wall, we cleaned up everything, so now we'll start priming.
We finished priming and we need to wait.
So see you in next 24 hours.
We have a new day now, walls are dry and we can start painting.
Another day, another layer of paint! Hooray!
$10 of this paint was not enough, so we bought additional 5 liters. But actually it looks quite nice. Here you can see how it was before. Here is after priming and here is after these 2 layers of paint. So looks better. Last layer of paint is already there, and I think it is final result. And there is second wall. Now it's time for assembly of these shelves, and those shelves will stay here. One part is ready, so we have second part ready and we can mount it on the top.
We finished painting and I think it's looking much better now, but we have to fill in the space with more tools now. Thanks for watching and see you around in next garage vlog. Bye!